In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your desktop screen in PowerPoint. This built-in tool is perfect for creating quick tutorials, demos, or adding live screen action to your slides without installing extra software. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can record confidently and get professional-looking results. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can start with a blank presentation if you're making a dedicated recording slide, or open an existing deck if you want the screen recording to live inside a specific presentation. Give the file a quick save so your work is protected before you begin. Next, head to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools you can add to a slide. On the right side of this tab, look for the Media Group. You'll find the Screen Recording button there. Click Screen Recording to open the recording toolbar. A compact control panel will appear with options for selecting your capture area, turning audio and the pointer on or off, and starting the recording. Keep this toolbar visible so you can access it easily when you're ready to stop. Now choose what you want to record. Click Select Area or press Windows plus Shift plus A. Your cursor turns into a crosshair so you can drag to highlight the exact part of the screen you want. For a clean tutorial feel, capture only what's needed. If you want to record everything, simply select your full display area. Before you start, decide whether you want your microphone and mouse pointer included. Turn on audio if you plan to narrate as you go. Enable record pointer to show clicks and cursor movement, which helps viewers follow along. If you're recording silently, leave audio off. When you're ready, click record or press Windows plus Shift plus R. You'll get a brief countdown, then start performing the actions you want to capture. Move at a steady pace and speak clearly if you're narrating. Try to avoid rapid window switching to keep your video easy to follow. To finish, move your mouse to the very top of the screen to reveal the control dock. Then click Stop or press Windows plus Shift plus Q. PowerPoint will instantly place the recording onto your current slide as a video object. From here, you can resize or reposition the video on the slide. Press play to review it, and if you're happy, save your presentation to preserve the recording. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.